There's the kittiwake population. Sebastian's sampling the meltwater down there to see if there's any washout from the colony. And I put some paper sheets here, and we hope that these birds will defecate on them so that we can sample some fresh guano from the birds, see if there's microplastics in them. And then we will also just take some of this top layer soil, put that in a can, and also sample that for weathered guano, and see if there's correlations between them, to see if these birds actually take microplastic from out of the ocean and defecate it onto the land. Also als Close-up, das wäre jetzt so ein Birdshit Patch. Und da ist eben interessant, den nehmen wir, we take that whole sample, den nehmen wir so mit, cut it into pieces, machen wir so Stückchen draus und das ist weathered guano. Und man hört es vielleicht, es wird schon fleißig geschissen. Da ist auch schon, there's already fresh bird guano on it. Nice, working. Methodology funktioniert. Go. Okay, so now all the birds shed on it for 12 hours. It's been a very long day in the field. Now we're just gonna scrape it off with a knife, as good as it gets, and then we'll just throw it in here, and then we'll dissolve it when we're back in Innsbruck and see if there is a difference between the fresh bird guano and the weathered bird guano that we took from here actually. When you have an old nest, you'll just have like a lid of shit on top of it. So we just sampled what did we sample? A kittiwake colony, right?
I think it's not the color. Like,
is it not on full Mars?
It's a bird.
We just collected shit of some birds and polar foxes.